Hello troublemakers! Today we're going to make Angel Dust's wig. First we're going to start off by taking a long white wig from Amazon and crimping the hair. Take small sections and crimp the hair from the root to the bottom. I normally leave the very tips of the hair not crimped so that they don't get frayed. Then you're going to brush the hair with a metal comb before it cools down to remove the crimp marks. Crimping the hair makes it less likely to tangle, and it also gives your wig some more volume. After crimping the entire thing, I went ahead and harvested the wefts. I'm going to section off the wefts and then cut them as close to the scalp of the wig as I can. Try to keep the hair together and in a nice clump. Set each clump of hair aside as you're working. We will be making these into wefts later. Once all of the hair is harvested, your wig should now look like this. Next, we're going to take cotton batting and we're going to attach it to the wig cap. I glued a square of it onto the wig cap using hot glue. I glued the front first and made my way around the sides. Then I glued the back, and instead of keeping the cotton batting flat, I actually formed them into spikes. Next, you're going to add more cotton batting to make the shapes that you want the wig to be in. I wanted this wig to be really similar to the original Angel Dust design, so I'm adding more spikes made out of cotton batting. I used hot glue and also some wire to make sure that the spikes stayed in position. I glued the wires to the original cotton batting base and then the outside of the cotton batting. After you've made your base the shape you want, you're going to use a heat gun to make sure that the cotton batting stays in place and shrinks slightly to the wig cap. Then continue this process to add any details you want to the wig base. Make sure to try the wig base on your head to make sure it fits and to alter anything that you might need to alter before you add the hair. Next, we're going to prepare our wefts. So take all the clumps of hair that you cut before, get some tacky glue and a flat surface. Put a line of tacky glue on your flat surface, and then you're going to take one section of hair and lay it across the tacky glue. Try to get the hair fibers to line up nice and neatly, and then you're going to pour another line of tacky glue on the top of the hair. After that, use the back of your comb or a stick, pen, paintbrush, and you're going to smush the tacky glue into the hair. Make sure that all of the hair is nice and flat and that all of the hair is completely covered in tacky glue. Repeat this process on every single piece of hair. You're going to start feeling crazy, but make sure that once it's all done, you let it dry overnight. Once the wefts are completely dry, you're going to trim the top of them, and then you're going to attach them to your wig base. Make sure to glue the wefts wherever the hairline is going to be, or where the part is going to start. Once I attach the weft, I use 2B glue ultra glued, which is kind of like a gel hairspray, and I use it to flatten out the weft onto the wig. Repeat this process over and over and over until your entire wig is covered in hair. Here's what it looks like almost complete. I still want to add some finishing touches and a little bit more hair gel. I also want to add some airbrush paint to add the pink dots. But here's what we have so far. Thanks for watching.